Activity 5, Linear Regression. In this video, we will talk about how to get linear regression in the data set. First, we need to determine what are the x and y variables. So the x variable is the demand for bass drums and the y variable is the Green-Shades TV appearance. So to create a graph of linear regression, we determine the slope and y-intercept. Then highlight the x and y variables. Then we click the insert bar and choose insert scatter chart in the Excel, and this is the result of the graph in the linear equation. As you can see in the table in the left side, we have x variable, which is the demand for bass drums. On the right side, we have the y variable, which is the Green-Shades of TV appearance. This is the given formula of the problem 1. To sum up the summation of the x is we add the data in the variable, in the x variable, and divided by it by 6. So the summation of x is 6.5. The same goes by y variable. We add this all data and divided it by 6, and we sum up in the 5.5. So in the problem, we have the two formulas. First formula is x minus x bar then squared. So we substitute it. So 3x equals to 3 minus x bar. X bar is 6.5, then squared. Then the result is 12.25. Same with the next data. X is 6 minus 6.5. So then squared, and the result is 0.25. And so on and so forth. To come up with the submission of x is add this all data to the result is 29.5. The second formula is we have x minus x bar times y minus y bar. So we substitute it. X equals to 3 and x bar equals to 6 minus 6.5. So y is 3 and y bar is 5.5. So 3 minus 6.5 times 3 minus 5.5 equals 8.75. Same with the next data. Stick x is equals to 6 minus 6.5 times the next data of y is 4 minus 5.5 is equals to 0.75. So on and so forth. Then to come up the summation of x and y, add this all data from the first data to last, add this all, and we come up with a result of 17.5. So these two variables, x and y, are given in the problem, and the result of the summation of x and y variables are given in the problem A. Problem 1A. So let's compute na lang ang the four formulas that we have. First formula is y minus y bar then squared. So we substitute it. Y is equals to 3, then minus, then y bar is equals to 5.5. The total summation of y. So 3 minus 5.5 then squared is the result is 6.25. The next data, same with the process with the first data. So we substitute it. 4 minus 5.5 then squared, that the result is 2.25. the process of all data to come up with the sum of the squared total, add these all 6 data, then we sum up with the sum of squared total with 17.5. Next formula is y hat equals to 0.5932 times x plus 1.6441, and 0.5932 x is the slope. So to come up with the slope, we use the formulas in Excel equals, write the word slope, open parentheses, then y, comma, then x, then close parentheses, then enter, then we come up the result of the slope. To determine the result of intercept, we use again the formula in Excel equals, write the word intercept, open parentheses, y, comma, x, close parentheses, then enter, then we come up with the result of the intercept. So let's determine the y hat. So the formula of y hat is to find the x. So 0.5932. So the x of the first data is 3. So 0.5932 times 3 plus 1.6441. The result is 3.4237. Same with the next data, 0.5932. The x is 4 times 4 plus 1.6441. With the result is 5.2033. With the process of the first data formula, we have y minus y hat, then squared. So ang y in the given problem, y is, first data, y is 3. So 3 minus and the y hat, we nakuha naman nato ang result sa y hat. So y hat is 3 minus 3.4237. Ang y hat sa first data is 3.4237. So 3 minus 3.4237, then squared. So we come up the result of 0.1795269. Same process lang. Come up with the sum of the squared errors. Add this all 6 data to the result is 7.1186441 or 7.12. So last formula that we compute is y hat minus y bar then squared. So to sum up the sum of the squared errors, add this all 6 data to come up the 7.11. Last formulas is y hat is 3.4237 minus y bar is 5.5. So then squared, and the result is 4.3110269 or 4.31. Same with the next data, y hat is 1.44793089 minus the 5.5, the y bar, then squared, the result is 0.0880389 or 0.09. So to come up the sum of the squared regression, add all six datas. The result is 10.38064414 or 10.38. After all the calculation of x and y variables, that the sum of it includes that the sum of squared total is equal to 17.5. This is the formula of sum of the squared total equals sum of the squared regression plus sum of the squared error. So sum of the squared regression is 10.39 plus sum of the squared errors is 7.12. So the result is 17.499288828 or 17.5. Problem 2 is the x variable, the first test grade, and the second and the y variable is the final average. So the same process with the problem 1 ang problem 2.